Christmas morning, Dad's opening his big gift.
I'm so excited I don't know how to open it. Wow, it's a bath towel.
You did good, Mal.
Take your socks off then.
Oh, this is a sock?
Yeah, take it off.
So you can say I got 2 socks.
Yeah. Those are my socks. I didn't Zach.
These are your socks? I don't get to keep them?
No.
You did good, Mal.
Yeah, I use bright socks too.
You did good, Mal.
Oh, wow. Is that, who is that?
Beltray.
Wow.
Adrian Beltray.
Check that out. Thank you, family. That is awesome. Check that out. I'm going to hang this up in the office.